Okay, next one. In triangle PQR, angle R is equal to 90 degrees. Tan P by 2 and tan Q by 2 are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then, okay, now alpha beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. Now here tan p by 2, tan q by 2 are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now sum of the roots tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2 is equal to minus b by a. Okay, product of the roots tan p by 2 into tan q by 2 is equal to c by a. Okay, next one. In triangle PQR, P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degrees. Now angle R is equal to 90. Therefore, P plus Q is equal to 180 minus 90, 90. Therefore, both sides dividing with 2. Now P plus Q by 2 is equal to P plus Q by 2 is equal to 45. Okay, both sides taking tan on both sides. Now tan p by 2 plus q by 2 is equal to tan 45. Okay, tan a plus b, tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2 by 1 minus tan p by 2 into tan q by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, now tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2 minus b by a. Okay, minus b by a by, okay, 1 minus c by a. 1 minus c by a is equal to 1. Okay, now minus b by a minus c is equal to 1. Okay, now minus b is equal to a minus c. Okay, now minus b is equal to a minus c. Now a plus b is equal to c. A plus b is equal to c. Therefore, a plus b is equal to c means first one is the correct one. Next one, in triangle ABC, a cos square c by 2 plus c cos square a by 2 equal to 3b by 2. Then ABC are in. Now, according to half angles, cos c by 2 is equal to square root of s into s minus c by ab. Okay, now a into s minus c by ab plus c into cos a by 2 s into s minus a by bc is equal to 3b by 2. Okay, now here a cancel. Now here cc cancel. Okay, s by b. Now s by b common. S minus c plus s minus a is equal to 3b by 2. Okay, now s plus s to s. Okay, s by b into 2s value a plus b plus c minus a is equal to 3b by 2. Okay, now cc cancel, a cancel. Okay, now here also bb cancel, s by b into b is equal to 3b by 2. Okay, now bb cancel by cross multiplication 2s is equal to 3b. Okay, we know that 2s value a plus b plus c is equal to 3b. Okay, now a plus c is equal to 2b. Now a plus c is equal to 2b means now a, b, c are in AP. A, B, C are in AP. Therefore, A, B, C are in AP. First one is the correct one. The next one, in triangle ABC, A plus B plus C into B plus C minus A is equal to lambda into BC. Then, okay, now here given expression b plus c plus a into b plus c minus a is equal to lambda into bc. Now here a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Now b plus c whole square minus a square is equal to lambda into bc. Okay, now b square plus c square plus 2bc minus a square is equal to lambda into bc. Okay, now b square plus c square minus a square is equal to lambda bc minus 2bc. Okay, now b square plus c square minus a square from cosine rule, 2bc cos a is equal to, now here lambda minus 2 into bc. Now here bc cancel. Now cos a is equal to, lambda minus 2 by 2. Lambda minus 2 by 2. Now a being the angle, a being the angle of a triangle. Now we have minus 1 less than cos a less than 1. Okay. Now cos a value lambda minus 2 by 2, minus 1 less than lambda minus 2 by 2 less than 1. Okay, now minus 2 less than lambda minus 2 less than 2. Okay, both sides adding plus 2. Okay, minus 2 plus 2 0, lambda less than 4. Therefore, now here minus 2 plus 2 less than lambda less than 2 plus 2. Therefore, 0 less than lambda less than 4. 0 less than lambda less than 4. Therefore, third one is the correct one. Next one, the area of the triangle ABC is given by delta is equal to a square minus b minus c whole square. Then tan a is equal to. Okay, now we are given condition delta is equal to a square minus b minus c whole square. Now a plus b into a minus b. Okay, a plus b minus c into a minus b plus c. Okay, now delta is equal to a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. Now here minus 2 into s minus c, 2 into s minus b. Okay, now s minus b into s minus c by delta is equal to 1 by 4. S minus b into s minus c by delta is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, s minus b into s minus c by delta is equal to 1 by 4. Now s minus b into s minus c by delta value tan a by 2. Okay, now tan a by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. But here tan a is equal to 2 tan a by 2 by 1 minus tan square a by 2. Okay, now 2 into 1 by 4 by 1 minus 1 by 16. Okay, now 1 by 2 into 16 by 15 is equal to 8 by 15. Therefore, tan a value is 8 by 15. First one is the correct one. The next one, if cot a by 2 into cot b by 2 equal to c, cot b by 2 into cot c by 2 is equal to a, cot c by 2 into cot a by 2 equal to b. Now find this value. Okay, now you take one of the value, cot a by 2 into cot b by 2 is equal to c. Now cot a by 2 s into s minus a by delta. Now s into s minus b by delta is equal to c. Okay, now delta square value s into s minus b by s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c is equal to c. Okay. S by s minus c is equal to c. S by s minus c is equal to c. By cross multiplication, 1 by s minus c is equal to c by s. Okay, similarly we can prove 1 by s minus b is equal to b by s. 1 by s minus a is equal to a by s. Okay, now given expression value 1 by s minus a by s plus b by s plus c by s. Okay, now a plus b plus c by s. We know that a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. Now 2s by s is equal to 2. Therefore, 1 by s minus a plus 1 by s minus b plus 1 by s minus c is equal to 2. Fourth one is the correct one.